Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to spell check or turn on the spell check option or feature on Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow these simple steps. So now I have this text that is full of mistakes because it was just generated randomly with the Adobe InDesign fill the placeholder option, and now we want to spell check our text. So basically you will need just to select your text holder or your text frame and go to the edit, and we will search for spelling. As you can see, there is the spelling, and now we want to check spelling. Now it will go to all the mistake that you have in your text box, and you will start and it will start suggesting some correction for your words. Basically, if you want to ignore or skip, you will just click skip. If you want to change, you will add some changing. You can choose a suggestion, click on change, and skip until you finish. But this feature is kind of non-practical, and if you want to have like some dynamic spell checking, like having underlined your word with the red line as in the text editors like the Word and other text editors and Google Docs, etc., you can just doing it by going to the edit and go to spelling and click on the dynamic spelling. And as you can see, now you will see all the mistake that you have in your text or text box, and you can just select your text, and you can have, for example, select this and search for some suggestions, and you will have it automatically like this. So you can choose these suggestions, or if there is a word that is like an acronym or something, you can just add it to the dictionary. So, or ignore all, for example, or add, for example, a word to the dictionary. So we go here, user the dictionary, or add it to the user dictionary, and it won't be considered as a mistake again. So whenever you are writing the same text or word, you won't find the spell checking red line on it. So basically this is how you can add the spell checking on your Adobe InDesign documents. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.